Hi, this is Amin. In this video, I am going to set up a Facebook ad campaign. I'm not set up a normal Facebook ad campaign. I will set up very professionally. This is the CBO campaign. No one 90% advertiser do not know how CBO work. So I'm going to set up a CBO campaign that will bring the best result for your campaign. Before starting this video, I'm introduce myself. I'm Amin. I'm a senior and top rated Facebook advertising specialist. If you work with me, I'm available for work with me. Link in below. Let me contact us and get your registered project. So now I'm going to start. Before starting my campaign, here I have write campaign overview, business. I'm going to set up campaign for weight loss company. Okay, our object will be lead, and our campaign type will be CBO, campaign budget optimization, and budget will be 30 USD, and location USA, and video asset is the video asset. I will use 2 video asset. So let's go start our campaign. Now I'm in our Facebook ad dashboard. I already created audience. So if you don't know how to create the audience, you will check video in comment below. Also you will get find video on my YouTube channel. So how to create audience, if you search, also you will found this video. So I'm now going to video. I'm now going to on my campaign. Okay, now I'm click to create a campaign option. Then I'm select the lead option. Now select the manual lead option. Okay, at first I need to write I need to write campaign name, CBO campaign. Okay, it will be our core audience. Then I'll select the lead option. Here I will write video asset. Okay, so in this 3 part, you can ignore. You can write your 3 step. Thus you can understand very carefully, because when you run a lots of campaign, then you will not identify. So you have to write the name very properly. Okay, then video asset. Okay, so now I'm going to the setup option. Okay, so here you can see in the below advanced budget, campaign budget. I just select this option, and then I'm select that our daily budget will be 30. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, next I'm going to here you can see instant form and website. I just click website form. Okay, then after website form, here we need to select pixel. I already set up pixel, new pixel by Amin. You can select this pixel. Then after setting pixel, conversion active, here you can see lead conversion is active. Okay, I just click the lead campaign. Then if I select dynamic creative, then we will use dynamic creative. Okay, I will use 3 ad creative. So I'm creating the dynamic creative. Okay, so okay, dynamic creative. Then we need to set up our audience. So I'm just switch to original audience, use original audience. Then I'm click the save option, core audience. Okay, but I think this is our targeted audience. Okay. I select our audience because I already set up our audience. Here I can see the estimate the audience size 20,000. Okay, that's perfect. We are going to next option. So now we need to add our ad asset. Okay, so select image first. We have one image. Just I'm checking, we can use one image. So this is our targeted image. I'm select this option. Okay, then I'm select a video. Okay, select. So this is one videos. I'm select continue, and also select another videos from our pages. Okay, this is our another video. So now we write to primary text, and I already run a campaign in previously. So I just copy this link and going to ads manager to collect our ad copy. Just 1 minute. This is our primary text. I just copy from here. Okay. Okay, I'm copy this one. I just select here. Okay. Then I'm copy headline, write headline. Okay. Then also write description, and finally we are add our website URL. Okay. So we need to add our website URL. So in the medication page and paste it. So this is our okay. So we have set up already our ad campaign. Now I'm copying this option. Okay, I'm copy this option. I'm trying to create a 10 original campaign, and I will create a 10. Okay, just duplicate 1 2 3 4. So I'll select some. Write custom audience because I'll change this audience. Okay, so okay, I'm going this option, reset this option. Okay, oh no, I will use create one, create new one, and the create new one use original audience. Then we need to select custom audience, this one and this one. Okay, so this is one also custom. I'll select and also I'll do custom. Okay, custom. Oh, I'm going this select option, create new, switch to original. Okay, so finally we are done. We have set up five core audience, and we also have set up 5 custom audience. Now we need to publish all the ad set. So publishing all ad set, I select the campaign main option and publish tools. Click the public option. Here you can see they are publishing 1 2 3 option, and finally publish all campaign. I have set up one campaign under 11 ad set and 3 ad asset. Okay, so if you want to set up your ad campaign for your business, so you can contact me. I will share my Upwork link and the link in the below. I'm ready for work with you and grow your business and achieve your business goal. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I will daily update Facebook ad, Google ads, and also email marketing and others advertising platform, because I'm working as a digital marketing specialist last 4 years. Thank you so much for watching this video.